Three, two, 1, 0. Hey everyone, it's Jose, the general manager here at Palm Harbor Homes at Abilene. And today, I'm excited to give you a tour of one of our most popular single wides, the Amara. Guys, this home just arrived on our lot, and this home is a beauty. Now, don't let the size fool you. This home is built with the perfect balance of style, efficiency, and affordability. Ideal for anyone looking for quality construction without sacrificing comfort or design. From the outside, guys, you will see the modern curb appeal with the clean roof line and LP siding with energy efficient design built to last. Everything about this home is made with the same craftsmanship that Solitaire Homes is known for. It is built stronger, built smarter, and built to perform for years. Guys, this home is built on a solid steel I-beam frame with heavy-duty outriggers that extend all the way to the edge. That means that your floor is fully supported from side to side. No sagging, no flexing floors or frame that is built stronger to carry the weight of the home. Now let's hop inside and let's check out the interior. Guys, right away, you're greeted with an open concept living area that feels much larger than you expect for this size of home. You have plenty of natural light making the space bright and welcoming, perfect for relaxing after a long day of work or hosting friends and family. No soft floors, no vinyl walls, and everything here is screwed and nailed together, nothing stapled. Our floors are 3/4 tongue and groove plywood, so you can feel the difference under your feet. And with our triple coated drywall finish throughout the whole home, you're not getting thin paneling that fall off the wall. You're getting a real residential feel. The living room flows directly into the kitchen and dining area, creating that open feel that everyone loves. You don't have no walls closing you off, just a comfortable open space. Now check out the kitchen. Modern design, full-size appliances, tons of cabinets and counter space. Also comes with a large kitchen island that's great for casual dining. You have solid wood ash cabinets. One thing Capco Solitaire takes pride in is that we build our cabinets in-house. They're not particle boards. These are real wood frames built to last. You can literally feel the difference when you open them, even all the way to our drawers. Guys, these are residential grade with metal rollers. Here, it's all about long-term quality. And you have plenty of outlets for all your kitchen appliances and plenty of storage in this. Guys, this is the kind of kitchen that makes cooking actually enjoyable. Now, as we flow into the master, you'll actually pass by your lunch room and the pantry. Now, check out the pantry. Guys, do you think you can actually fill up this pantry with all your snacks? Now, across the hall, you have the utility room, built for a full-size washer and dryer with extra space. You also got your 200 amp electrical panel, whole house water shut-off valve with generation PEX plumbing throughout the home. And now moving into the master suite. Guys, it's spacious, private, and built for comfort. You can easily fit a king-size bed and plenty of decor. Guys, if you can notice how quiet and comfortable this home feels, that's part of Capco Solitaire's high-quality installation and built standards. Your master bath features a vanity, standing low shower, and plenty of extra storage. Guys, with a huge walk-in closet. Now let me show you this. One thing I like to show about the closets in these homes is the strength. God, this is real wood, meaning it's not gonna break like those little metal rails that you have in other closets. Now let's go down the hall and let's check out the other rooms. Guys, you have two additional bedrooms perfect for kids, guests, or even a home office. Now both rooms, they do share a second bath with portion sinks and a full-size tub slash shower combo. Guys, these rooms are comfortable, bright. You're not sacrificing no space or quality. Still have a great size closet. So guys, that's the Amara. A 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,152 square foot home. Guys, where other homes cut corners, Capco Solitaire is built stronger. Underneath the home size, it sits on 2x6 floor joists, real plywood decking, no particle board or OSB flooring, just solid material. Guys, all those things hold up over time. And one thing about our homes, they actually get triple inspected. Okay? So if you're looking for a home that is affordable, beautiful, and built to last, come by and take a tour at 3301 Hickory Street, Abilene, Texas, or give us a call at 325-676-9700, and we'll be glad to answer any questions you may have and show you why Capco Homes stands above the rest. With our wide variety of brands, floor plans, guys, there's truly a home that fits anybody, any family, any budget that you may have. If you want to see more homes like this and learn what makes Capco Homes stand above the rest, make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell. Guys, I would never want you to miss another walkthrough. I can't wait to see you on the next one.